All right, everyone. We're going to focus quick on how machine learning can help you manage a lot of different accounts for your service business. All right, let's open up the whiteboard. So there's this thing called clustering. And in clustering, we have, for example, imagine a chart where there's some dots, okay? And what k-means clustering does, k-means. So k is how many clusters there are, means is the average of the clusters. So what k-means clustering does is it looks at the space of, for example, on a chart, the space of your data. It's like a spatial model almost, the way the concept works. So here there's two clusters like that, right? You can kind of see that. And so what if this was the setup on the chart, right? We would want k to be 3 because there's 3 clusters, but then in some cases 2. Some cases 2 clusters. And so imagine if the items towards the upper right are higher risk projects and the ones bottom left are the safer projects, the lower risk, the ones that are performing well according to metrics that our business uses to measure our success with our clients, right? So imagine we have a consulting firm, we offer services to clients, and we have days since the last time we advanced a project, okay? So, because imagine a project, clients pay at different phases throughout a consulting project. So there's different reasons why there could be struggles to advance a project. Maybe the client is struggling to see the value. So you have to solve that problem maybe to bring the project back to 0 days since bring the project past the next goal point, the next goalpost. So projects towards the top right, let's say on the y-axis we have how much the projects are worth to our business, and on the right we have the days since we last got that project to another phase, or since we last collected more revenue on that project, right? So these projects in the top right are the high alert projects. These are higher risk. These projects have had more days since we've last seen a major success with the project, essentially. So, but there could also be, reasons behind why projects are lagging behind. So what we want to do is if we have, for example, if our service firm has meetings where we go over our accounts, or if we have any sort of routine process, which there probably is a system where we routinely check for projects that need to be managed better, we can then use this model to inform which projects need to be under more scrutiny. And thanks, y'all. That's it for now. Have a good one. Peace.